It's time. For what? It's time. 7x and crazy time. Alright, guys. Let's multiply everything 7 times. Woohoo! There is some doubles for the green ones. Look, doubles, guys. Let's double it up.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Tell 4x and 2 from Topslot. You know you love me. Were you cheerleading Captain Andy? No, I was not. Oh, guys. Oh, well. Oh, well. Oh, well. Oh, well. Oh, well. Who is ready? Woohoo! Yay! Come on. Let's go to crazy time. Follow me. Woohoo! We are here. Welcome, everyone, to the crazy time bonus game. Decision time is all yours. Green, blue, or yellow. If you can't make a decision, you can choose an auto flick, which will pick a flapper for you. So now, choose your flapper. We have 200x as the highest. Good luck! Mwah!
This is the amount of money issued, 363,807 euros.
$2,803 of you got the 200x multiplier.
What before was 2. Why aren't so much popular results? Most common segments. Oh yes, that's only one single segment. Crazy time until 54 that money will consist of. And you made it. Welcome to the party. Highest wheel in the world, 64 segments, a lot of triples, a lot of doubles, and 3 floppers, green, blue, and yellow. Choose one that looks at you. Max multi, 100. You like? Yes, my greetings. Yellow flapper, catch double. Now the whole wheel got a double. Vamos checar, vamos, signori. Maximum divide to Hanix, enjoy. Oh my! You rock! Yellow team! Yellow flapper catch double one more time. The whole wheel gonna double. Ready for the party? Max multiplier 400. Enjoy!
This is the amount of money issued, 789,130 euros.
400! Yellow team, happy springtime! 10x and blue, and 20x and green. 400 to all of you. Oh my, GZ! Whoa, the super millionaire over here. 100, wait a second, 183,248 and more on your side. Oh, that's the mesmerizing. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Thank you, Sophia, my love. Thanks to you, really. I'm just glad, like, you're all good, you're all Gucci. And, you know, I really do hope that things are, you know, kind of looking better for you. Okay, but I'm still AK. I'm forever Team AK, okay? I'm not the Lamont. Okay, AK, let's just not talk about that. Good luck, everybody. But yeah, either way, guys, nice Pachinko with a 5x multiplier. I'm still AK. I'm still Team AK. I think you're, as I said, amazing, super duper, cool person and everything. Come on, please hit it. Stop. Oh, Pachinko, please stop. Guys, Pachinko with a 5x multi. Did you see that? Woo! Come on. Let's get that money, guys. Let's go. 5x, 7x, 10x, 15x, 20x, 25x, 35x, 40x. Double, guys, and let's do it, guys, 5 times. Come on. Wow. The board is looking nice. The board is looking very, very nice. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm sweating. Woo. 200x multiplier, the highest multi, guys. I'm all here for you. Come on. Let's catch it. Good luck. Come on. Go 200. 200.
This is the amount of money issued 1,459,320 euros.
Woo! 200x, baby. Oh boy. 15,485 of you. Look at that. Congratulations, everybody. Wow, we are on fire. Good luck, everybody. Hi, Nickers. Welcome to the crazy time. How are you feeling today? Of course, applause to my champion.
6,000 for winners. Vito, Nico, you, HHU, Oliver, congratulations. Got with that. Thanks so much. Let's go for another spin. Mr. Biz, do you like... What is that, Bas? I have no idea what you're talking about. I have no idea. Smudge Dogs, do you like... I have no ideas as well. Do you listen? No. I don't listen. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but I think that I can also pronounce that as well. Galatasaray, it's main a Turkish league. No, there is like Fenerbahce. Yeah, there is Galatasaray. There is a Beşiktaş as well. Yeah, this is a great teams, guys. But while I was speaking about it, it's a 5x on Pachinko, ladies and gentlemen. 5x on Pachinko. We got it here. Last session we had a 4x on Pachinko. Now it's time for a 5x on Pachinko, guys. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, 7x, minimum 35 to 1 a pair we have here. 10, 15, 20, 35, 50x multiply and 5x on it. 250x top multiply that we have here, ladies and gentlemen. I need a max VN. Let's go, guys. Drop it like it's hot. Whoop. What a board. What a game. What a board we have here, ladies and gentlemen. Go in a corner. Come on, go in a corner.
This is the amount of money issued 948,733 euros.
Woo! 250x. 9,182. What is Elikona, Nico, Moneyball, Audi, Dodgy Boy? My people, congratulations. Woo! I need...
Not gonna survive. 5,432 winners in total, okay? How about favorite ice cream flavor? Oh, I cannot decide between pistachio, mint, or the cookie dough as well. Hi, Jel. Hi, how you doing? Aw, thank you, Bonus. I'm really glad to hear that. Sam, what about yourself, guys? What is your favorite ice cream flavor? Maybe we do have some people, with matching taste. Guys, catch with a 5x multiplier. Marty, do you like carbonara matcha? I have never... Oh, come on. Yay! Woohoo! Catch with a 5x multi, ladies and gentlemen. We did it again. We have so many good top slots today. I cannot. Okay, guys, let's go. Yippee! Come on, guys. This is going to be our board. Oh, 500! we did again, guys. We beat the highest one, 2,500x as the highest multiplier. Woo! Okay, this is incredible. Once again, we did it, guys. We're spinning one, and it spinning to the other side as well, guys. I'm speechless right now. So now, get going. You gotta pick one pick, 2,500x. Right now we're talking, guys. Also, auto picker could pick it for you. Oh boy, I'm scared. I'm gonna pick this cupcake. Come on.
This is the amount of money issued 766,651 euros.
Around the place where it first started. So 121 with 205x multi and 229 with 375x multi. You're incredible, guys. More than 9,000 winners in this round. Congratulations. Guys, we just beat the day's highest record. Woo! Okay. So I do remember that somebody was
698 total winners. Amazing. Enjoy. All right. Betting time is all yours. Again, autoplay is available for you. Again. All right. Bets are closed. Good luck. It's time. For what? It's time. 7x and crazy time. Hey, come on. Guys, it's time. It is. Who can do that? 2 crazy times in a row. Hey, 7x on crazy time. Yes. Yes. Come on, guys. Let's go. Follow me. Woo. Woo. Yes. 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 It's amazing. 7x. We have 7x in here. Alright, guys, let's multiply everything 7 times. Woohoo! That's the multiplier from the top slot. 7x. Come on, guys. Alright. Here goes decision time. Blue, green, or yellow flopper. If you can't make decision, you can choose an auto pick, which will pick a decision for you. So let's go. Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Alright, guys. 700x is the highest. Good luck! Mwah! There is some doubles for the green ones. Let's double it up now. Woohoo! Oh, now highest is 1,400x. Good luck! Mwah! Here goes more doubles, guys. Let's double it up again. Hey, we have 2,800x is the highest. Good luck! Mwah, mwah, mwah.
This is the amount of money issued 1,666,963 euros.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.